god, you scared the shit out of me. That's not funny. No.
What it do, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys have read the title. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be pranking people with the Opium bird. I don't even know if I said that right, but we're gonna be pranking people with the, you know what I'm saying, the little costume with the bird. Y'all see I got the mask, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of goofy for not doing this on Halloween, but like the mask did come late. But I mean, hey, at least it looks good, right?
Hell nah.
All right, y'all go ahead and hit the like button, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is a little bit of a different type of prank, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit the subscribe button too. Road to 100K subs. Yes, sir. Can I get a make chicken and a water cup with no ice?
You said make chicken and water cup?
Yeah.
The hell? You had to make chicken. You can tap.
They started throwing balls at me, bro. This nigga grabbed my beak, bro. What the fuck?
That's cool, bro. Where you get that mat wrong? Alright, man. Y'all have a nice day, man. That deep. Fucking erosion bird.
Oh. Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me. That's not funny.
I like it though.
Oh my god, that scared me so bad.
It's a TikTok meme.
Oh my god.
It's the fucking, it's the,
Oh my god, that
it's the
scared me
erosion bird
so
thing.
bad. Oh, Christ.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Don't do that, man. Don't you do that. Next time, don't do that. Excuse me. This is a private property, sir. Sir.
Cold for real, extra game. You must be cold, okay? Cold again. Oh, no.
She's going the other way. Well, that's a good one.
Now I'm pacing and my heart is racing. Don't know what to do. I'm acting cool, trippy like a pool.
Hey, go ahead and cut the clip though.
Cut the clip. Cut the camera.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?